When it comes to quality, the most important questions to ask are: what are the standards that define excellence and how do we surpass them?
The vivid lenses from Aurolab, my patients are really happy with them because they can see clearly both far and near. I've visited the Aurolab factory. It's very comparable to those in Europe and in the America.
At Aurolab, our suite of solutions are benefiting doctors and patients in over 160 countries. But the quest for excellence is a continuous one, and it is marked by adopting better processes, better technology, and a passion for innovation.
I had the opportunity to implant Aurolab intraocular lenses. The visual outcomes of the patients that I inserted Aurolab lenses were excellent. The innovative technology, variety of choices, as well as the ease of implantation of the lenses have changed my preferences.
Seeing through the eyes of new possibilities, a vision called Aurolab.